Hey guys, welcome to Digitalized, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pin your message in WhatsApp group. Alright, before we get started, make sure you have updated your WhatsApp application to the latest version, and make sure you watch the video until the end so you don't miss any steps to pin the WhatsApp message in your group. Alright, let's begin. So the first step is to of course go to Play Store and download your WhatsApp application. Make sure you have downloaded the WhatsApp application of the latest version. So let's head on to our Play Store for the first step, and over here search for WhatsApp, and as you can see I have the latest version. So now what you have to do is open the WhatsApp application over here and select your group. So as you can see, this is our group. So if I want to pin this message to the group, what you have to do is copy this over here, and here you can see the option for pin. So what you have to do is just select the duration that you want the message to be pinned, and all you have to do is click on pin and your message will be pinned in your WhatsApp group. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to pin your message in WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.